Hello and welcome back to Lilly Learn English.
Hi, everyone. We're happy you're here today.
I'm Lilly.
And I'm Jack.
We make videos to help you speak English better.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Today we're talking about common English mistakes.
Many learners make these mistakes.
We will help you fix them.
Are you ready to begin?
Let's start. Jack, what mistakes did you make when learning English?
Oh, many mistakes. I said he go instead of he goes.
Yes, that's a common one.
And I said much people instead of many people.
We all make mistakes. It's normal.
Today we'll fix 5 common mistakes.
We'll give you correct sentences.
And you can practice with us.
Mistake number 1, he, she, it verbs.
Many learners forget the S with he, she, it.
Wrong, he go to school.
Correct, he goes to school.
Wrong, she like coffee.
Correct, she likes coffee.
Wrong, it work well.
Correct, it works well. Mistake number 2. Much and many.
Use much for things you can't count.
Like water, time, money.
Use many for things you can count.
Like books, people, days.
Wrong, I have much friends.
Correct, I have many friends.
Wrong, I don't have many time.
Correct, I don't have much time.
Mistake number 3, since and for.
Use since with a specific time.
Since 2020, since Monday, since 3 p.m.
Use for with a period of time.
For 2 years, for 3 days, for 1 hour.
Wrong, I live here since 5 years.
Correct, I live here for 5 years.
Wrong, I know her for 2021.
Correct, I know her since 2021.
Mistake number 4, make and do.
This is confusing for many learners.
Use make when you create something.
Make food, make a plan, make a mistake.
Use do for activities and tasks.
Do homework, do exercise, do your job.
Wrong, I will make my homework.
Correct, I will do my homework.
Wrong, she does a cake.
Correct, she makes a cake. Mistake number 5, a and the.
Articles are difficult for many learners.
Use a before consonant sounds.
A book, a car, a university.
Use an before vowel sounds.
An apple, an hour, an umbrella.
Use the for specific things.
The book on the table, the sun, the USA.
Wrong, I have an book.
Correct, I have a book.
Wrong, she is an honest person.
Correct, she is an honest person. Now let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
First, he, she, it practice.
He works in an office.
She lives in London.
It rains every day.
Much and many practice.
I don't have much money.
We have many students.
Since and for practice.
I have been here for 2 hours.
She has worked here since January.
Make and do practice.
I need to do my laundry.
He will make dinner tonight.
A and the practice.
She is a good teacher.
It is an interesting story.
The weather is nice today.
Good practice.
Let's review our 5 mistakes.
1. He, she, it verbs need S.
2. Much for uncountable, many for countable.
3. Since for specific time, for period.
4. Make for creating, do for activities.
5. A before consonants and before vowels.
Your homework this week.
Notice these mistakes in your speaking.
Correct yourself when you make them.
Practice the correct sentences daily.
Remember, everyone makes mistakes.
Making mistakes means you're learning.
Our question for you.
Which mistake do you make most often?
Tell us in the comments below.
We read all your comments.
We read all your comments.
And subscribe to Lilly Learn English.
Keep practicing your English.
You're getting better every day.
Bye for now. Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.